So by default in Google Chrome, pop-up blocker is enabled. So if you want to disable it or enable it back up after you disable it, then you can go on to the top right corner and click on this three dot icon, and then you can go to settings. And then on the left side, you can see privacy and security is an option. So once you click on that, you can go to site settings. So once you go to site settings, you can see that there are different options right here. And on the bottom, you can see pop-ups and directs are here. So once you click on pop-ups and directs, you can see that there are different options. For example, there's blocked, which is recommended right here. So right now, pop-up blocker is turned on. So many of the websites use pop-ups as advertisement, but that practice is mostly declining now. So pop-ups might sometimes be useful for important things like signing up for a website. And in that case, the websites might prompt you to enable pop-up blocker. And then what you can do is you can enable this out. So now what happens is that all of the websites are pop-ups are allowed, but that is something you may not want. So in order to allow only a few sites, you can disable this out, and then on the allow list, you can go on to add, and then you can type in the website that you want to allow pop-ups with. For example, let's say I want to allow pop-ups for www.google.com, and then you can click on add. So once I do that, you can see Google website is there. And now what happens is that all the other websites are blocked out, and then you can enable out the google.com website. If I were to click on this and click on remove right here, then what happens is that it is removed out. But if you want opposite settings, then what you can do is you can allow all of the pop-ups, and then on the block list, you can click on add, and then you can type in the address. And now what happens is that the pop-ups from google.com gets blocked out, and all the other sites will be enabled. So depending on what you want, you can enable and disable the pop-up blocker according to what you want, and then allow it for all of the websites or partial websites according to what you want. And that is how you can enable and disable pop-up blocker inside of Google Chrome. So if you guys learned something as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.